Okay, so we're going to review what we did last week and this week. So we did a basic box going into an underarm turn, and then we were finishing with a box. Okay, that was last week. So what we're going to do is we're extending that, and we're going to put in the face-to-face, back-to-back. So we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Remember, we want to lower there. We want to make sure that the weight, we're giving the signal to the lady. We're going to take in the hand from this position to an underarm. We're going to show off the nice, huge rings. Okay. From here, my right foot is free. Christina's left foot is free. We have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Remember, when we're doing this, we're actually lowering and rising on this. We lower and rise. Lower and rise. From here, we're going to do a free spin. We have 1, 2, 3. We also had a variation of it with the hook, but we'll practice with just this way. And then we're going to finish it with a twinkle, placing the lady on her foot, and then bringing her back over 2, 3. The variation, keep coming. The variation on the free spin. So we had 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I'm hooking and creating a counter rotation as I release. 1, 2, 3, and then I finish with my twinkle.